What he told me, like, you have 3 months jail, or you will pay for 5,000 dirham fine, you'll go. We have participated with the Emirates Car Association. Like every Ramadan, they have the, what do you call, pot out for Ramadan iftars, and also we have contributed in that. We collect from the members and we just give them and they pot it out. And once in a while in Ramadan, we go there and distribute with them. Basically, I'm there at Google. If you type in Google like green LS in UAE, you will find my car. 2, 3 cars are there in Google. That's a very big deal for me. It's a huge respect that by boosted UAE. Journey, it took a long time. 7 years. Didn't expect. Never hoped that I'd be in a car guy, making our own club, representing as a own member, club admin, co-founder of it, and making to the streets. I used to be a part of the members, and I'm from like Legacy Club. I'm a member. Suicide Squad. I'm a member, and many small clubs they call out. So we go there and we just participate with it. But presenting my own club for the first time, because we were never in like car shows, we have our own club. Our guys doing barbecues, long drives, hanging around, doing masti and all we do. But by the time we learn, like, okay, we have done the shit, let's attend the car shows, see what response we get. Alhamdulillah, this was the first time we attended the UAE drive meet, and mashallah, you can see they awarded us a presentation. Thanks, like, you participate, certificates to all guys. Because for me, what happened, I participated alone as a supporting to AE Legacy last year in Gulf Car Festival for 3 days, and I was disheartened. Honestly speaking, paying for the area, parking my car 3 days, and I didn't get anything. At least you can get an appreciation certificate. That's all we are asking for. But at the time, when the time comes, you need to be appreciated, and you're being disheartened. So you say, I don't want to go it again. Like this year, I won't attend, because what happened to me last year. Because some guys had much better experience. For me, it was a bad experience. Sharjah cops, they're nice. I have met very nice Sharjah police guys also. I met 90%. They respect your car, they respect you, they encourage you, and they guide you not to do this, not to do that. Do it. If you do this, then you, of course, face circumstance. Go like this, straight away. So for the cops, it's like back to the Honda again. Mercedes was gone. Honda had. And if you remember, I hit a camera on Mercedes 220, and on Maliha Road, I got fined 2,000 fine, 2,000 black point, 2,000 dirham fine, 12 black points. And second, I got again a fine from Mercedes. No, on Mercedes, yeah. So it became eventually 24 black points. Okay, my license was impounded 3 months, and my Honda was there at home, and I drove for 2.5 months. With the super exhaust, direct pipe, gauge, everything I have. I'm driving every day in Sharjah, Rolla, every Bohera, town, every area I'm driving. And like 1 week left, I'll get my license back from the Murur. And what happens, like my brother used to have this pickup driver, like he did not come. So I finished my work, I'm like tie, coat and all, I'm full formal, I was from work. I went to the rescue center, picked him. At that time, the new Land Cruiser had the new LEDs light. And if you remember, the Tasjeel area, the Emirates platform, that had the McDonald's. And see my thinking, I bought the brothers, all 3 brothers, like 4 brothers were sitting in the car. I bought the McDonald's. I then refueled my car from there. I came to the airport at Neffex petrol pump, refueled my car, and coming out, like this is the service road. Coming out, the police just coming in front of me, and like vroom, 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 vroom. Second gear, vroom, 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 vroom. And I left it to the half clutch, no sound, passing by them, and they eventually just came to the clutch. I'm like vroom, vroom, vroom. I like, come on, now why? Because I forgot to put it in neutral. It's like on the second, vroom, 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 vroom. And he heard the sound. He came. He's like, your tents are more than 50%. It was double by double, 30 by double, 30, it's 60%. The car was lowered, and when he asked for my license, and I told him to my car, I told them live for them, because he was a 2-star guy. So I told him the truth, my license is inbound. I didn't have any car at home, so that's when I took my brother. I came from the work. He said, okay, I'll just check in the system. You have a seat. After 15 minutes, he called me. He took my, at that time, labor card used to be there, your work permit card. And he told me, you're working here in charge. You also yeah. Okay, he said, okay, turn around. Handcuffs and from my brother was seeing the mirror, side mirrors. And he thought I was alone in the car, the cop. So, handcuffs and his Prado. And the brothers came on and he's like, okay, tell your brother to drive. No one has the license. I have the, he said, you don't even have the license. And you're driving. I said, I have the right. You have the license, but it's important. So technically, you don't own the license. So you're driving illegally car. Okay. So he told his assistant superintendent to drive my car to the Marcus in Vera police station. Okay. The best part was that when he opened the door, he just saw it and he came back. He said, like, the car is Menon. So we came to Marcus. Dad came. So he spoke. He said, like, leave him. He said, okay, we already left him, but it's in the system. So just bring the passport, we'll bail him out, that's all. After 1 week, you have to go to Mudil Court, then they will clarify the public prosecutions. Okay. And the next week, I had the exhibition for jewelry fairs. And I have to be there at 8 o'clock. So I called my mamu that I have some stuff to. I didn't tell him I'm going to the Murul Court. So I have some stuff, I'll be 2 hours late. At morning 6 o'clock, I was there in Murul. 8 o'clock, the Murul opened. I think 7 o'clock, the Murul opened. And they only allowed mom to be inside with me. And the Qazi, you cannot talk to the Qazi straight. There's a translator, you have to respect the Qazi. You have to say Islam, that's all. And the Qazi will translate to you. And from Al-Maraj, there were one Kuwaiti guy, one Saudi guy driving without license. They were also there. And I'm like shivering like hell. Like, what will happen? What will happen? You'll go, you'll go, you'll go. So my name came, I stand there, did Salaam Alaikum, the translator, why did you drive the car? I just explained, I had the license, but in Pound, that's why I didn't have the car, that's why driving. My mother was not well. It's like, mother was not well or you wanted to drive? I said, I wanted to drive. I'll be clear. Okay. So, okay, go back to your seat. After 1 hour, the Qazi left, and the translator and the another who's sitting to the next Qazi assistant, he will call out the name and he will say, okay, what he told me, like, you have 3 months jail or you will pay for 5,000 dirham fine, you'll go. But the passport will be 1 month impound, your passport. You cannot travel. But it was my brother's passport. My passport was at work. So, okay, I had 5,000 at that time. So I told my mom 5,000. It's like, it is at home. And it will take around 1 hour. And within that time, the police guy came and he's like, yes, who wants to go? The car is outside now. It's 9 o'clock, sorry. Yeah, 9 o'clock. We went at 7 o'clock. 9 o'clock, the breakfast is there. The car is waiting. It will take you to the jail. You'll get nice breakfast. Just sleep. And I'm like, no, I'm not going. I'll pay 5,000. So we told them we'll pay the fine and we'll go on. I paid the fine. My dad dropped me to the expo center and I'm like on work. Yeah, just 2 hours late. I was like around 10:30 at work. And later on the evening, I told him this shit happened. He's like scolding me, like, why did you not call me? Why could I help you? I had some connections. I said, no, mom. I did not need any favors. I need to face this boat. It's done by me. If I just take starting favors, then I'll be reliable on favors to guys. I will be like, okay, he's there, he will support me. He will do some wasta, he will come now. I have to do this. This is created by own. I have to finish my mess. That's all.